Hey guys, Sony has introduced an ultra-slim subwoofer called the XS-AW8 in India. Sony India has announced the latest addition to the category of in-car offerings. With the new ultra-slim XS-AW8 compact-powered subwoofer. The new XS-AW8 subwoofer is priced at 19,990 rupees. And will be available across Sony authorized dealers, car accessories shops, and car showrooms across India from February 1st onwards. It costs 19,990 rupees and will be available from February 1, 2021. The USP of the Sony XS-AW8 subwoofer is its compact form factor. This allows for easy installation in restricted spaces. It uses a rigid subwoofer diaphragm and has a built-in amplifier and a heatsink to protect the driver unit and amplifier without introducing unwanted vibrations and harmonic distortions. It has an output of 160 watts, 75 WRMS, even when using a factory radio with no preamp outputs. Users can simply connect the speaker outputs of their receiver to the high-level inputs. It has high-voltage pre-out compatibility and therefore users can utilize higher voltages up to 5 volts. The subwoofer comes with a wired remote control and has single-sided controls and terminals which allow for easy tuning. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button right now. I will make sure to keep you updated on latest products that you missed. This subwoofer offers great audio in a compact and versatile form factor. The new XS-AW8 subwoofer allows you to gain bass without losing car space, providing hassle-free punch to the music in any sized car, the brand said. The slim design of XS-AW8 subwoofer allows easy installation in restricted spaces and fills the car with clean and deep bass lines. The device reproduces powerful bass sound from its compact dimensions. The slim enclosure is paired with a rigid subwoofer diaphragm. The built-in amplifier also integrates a sturdy heatsink to protect the driver unit and amp without introducing unwanted vibrations and harmonic distortion. There is 160 watts peak, 75 watts RMS, output power with dynamic bass sound from a built-in Class AB amplifier. With Sony's original power IC designed for precise and clear low end, even at its loudest. The company said in a statement. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.